Currently on the screen is another look at a wind feature provided by the Windy. This is one of two models. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where the 7 News is reporting the east coast of Australia, stretching from Tasmania up to at least Townsville for torrential rain. However, the main area of interest is north of Fraser Island to the north of Mackay. This is instability across the next 26 hours. The Bureau of Meteorology Queensland has 2 flood watches currently in place. The Bureau will update that information around 12:30, 1 o'clock local time. A look at the Eastern Australia region via the satellite, and look at that area along the Queensland coast with cloud. Total precipitation outlook out to at least the 3:40 hour mark. And look at that area in yellow. We have marine wind warnings current for Victoria, West Coast, Central Coast, and for Friday expanding to include Central and East Gippsland areas. For New South Wales, for tomorrow, Eden's Coast, strong wind warning. For Queensland, strong wind warning is currently in place for the Townsville and Mackay coast, and the same for Friday. One for WA, which has been updated. Another satellite view of the Australian continent and surrounding regions. And you see that low pressure system, Great Australian Bight, and the run to the rest of the New Zealand islands. A look at the wind feature for the Queensland coastal region, and the date and time stamp is scrolling across the bottom of the screen. And this is being reported via the 7 News Torrential rain forecast to saturate Australia's east coast. But at this point in time, it's the Queensland coastal region. However, Tasmania is to see some nice rainfall, especially the northern region of the state. Now we're going to see a weak low pressure system or systems. This is an earlier view of localised rain via the Mackay, Emerald, Gladstone, Brisbane radars. We're also hearing a possible marine incident near a wreck on Fraser Island. The Volunteer Marine Rescue and the Queensland Emergency Services have been activated. And for those areas under heavy rainfall, we advise motorists who may be venturing out to adjust their driving to meet the conditions and to avoid flooded water. This is another look at instability, better national view. Storm probability. Precipitation in 3-hourly periods across the next 26 hours or more. And the values are down bottom left hand side of the screen. The latest 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau of Meteorology, and look at that area in green through blue. Now this is across the next 4 days. Total forecast across the next 8 days.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube, you're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.